guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be eating some chicken dumpling soup and some ice cold water. Let's take a sip. Refreshing. Let's dig in. Cheers. Good. This is very good and creamy. Also add some salt and pepper in it, and it just makes it much better. It's just so good, and it's not too hard. The vegetables and stuff in it, it's just right. It's not too cold, not too hot. It's just right. We only have a little bit left. Last bite. Let's drink up. Very good. Alright, that is it for today, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell down below. Bye.